Hey guys, this is Prajakta from Pretty Crafty Tales, and this is my Hobonichi cousin Avek. This is from Jan to June, so it's almost complete. I won't say completely complete. Anyway, this might be a chatty flip through. I'm not sure if I'll do. Sorry for the background noise. I'm not sure if I'll be doing a quiet one or just one with some music. Let's see. If anyone wants something like that, just let me know in the comments. So this is my mood tracker. The blank one looked like this. I will of course use the 7th, July to December one in the other planner. So this is almost complete. As you can see, that is just the key. As you can see, some of the days I did not really mark because I was very busy, and I just forgot. Now even here few days I forgot to mark, but then after maybe one day or so, I remembered what was my mood overall or what was my productivity overall. So then I went back and just use those colors. So yeah, this is how it looks. I hope to have a really complete one for July to December. So these are the monthlies. To be honest, not all the monthlies are complete. Okay, so before I jump into the monthlies and the other ones, let me just show you. This is the July to December one, and look at how slim it is, and look at how chunky this has become. I like it. I love it. I wanted it to become like this, and sorry for that. And it was unavoidable because I like decorating my planner. So my monthlies do have a bit of financial information. So and I use such sticky notes sometimes. So these are the blank ones which I did not really complete. I will go and complete these because I don't really enjoy blank pages. Oops, it's another head. So I don't really enjoy blank pages. That's why I'll go and complete these. So these are the weeklies, and some of the kits are from my shop, like this one, but my shop is closed now, and most of these are printables from other shops. I have tagged all the shops on my Instagram posts, so if you want you can check those out. This kit was made by me. It was just a trial one. I really love this spread. I don't think I'll be covering up any of the information. There is definitely some personal information in here, but I really don't have the time to go and cover up these things. So I just hope everybody who is watching will be nice. Just enjoy whatever this flip is and ignore whatever I have written. So in the weeklies, basically here I have written my I haven't mentioned it here, but yeah, here you can see I have mentioned breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner. You can watch my other previous flip throughs or walkthrough of Hobonichi Cousin, how I set it up and what were my plans. So you'll get an idea of what this is about. What these lines are. Basically, gray lines means mine when I slept at night, and this is when I woke up. So usually at 7 o'clock I wake up for some morning chores like filling water, etc. And then again I woke up at 11 o'clock. So yeah, something like that. Some of the spreads are like this, where I did not really get time to even go back and put down the stickers, but some of the spreads are okay. Now this is another pen only. I don't really enjoy pen only stickers. As you can see here, I have even covered up some text, I guess. So but then some days, I don't have the time to decorate my dailies, and I want to remember whatever I did. So I usually either write here or write on a sticky note. So the weeklies are over. This is how I had decorated my planner earlier. I think you can see this in depth in other videos, what all this is about. This is the page at the start of every month, a blank page. So I think I have done my January flip through, so I'll just skip those. You can check out that video for Jan. Yeah. Let's start with Feb. That one is a quick video. I think this one will be a bit longer. Yeah, so I just love to decorate the dailies using different things like stickers, washi tapes, and sometimes even stamps. I haven't used it here, but yeah, some lettering and drawing these boxes like this. Now even in dailies, some of the pages would be full of stickers and such, but few of them might not be that decorated. This is some doodle I tried. I know in Hobonichi planners there are people who really paint very well. I'm not that great at painting or doodling, but yeah, I try a little bit. So some of the stickers are drawn by me. So yeah, now here I should have actually gone and filled in with some color, but I didn't, and I'm going to leave it just like that. I don't like to cover up the calendar because I like the look of it, and I thought this will be actually helpful while planning, maybe because this is kind of a memory planning and not really a functional planner, or I don't really carry it with me every day, or like that. So maybe that is why, but I really like a small calendar on a daily page. These timelines are not really helpful for me because my handwriting, as you can see, it's really big and I cannot fit things within these timelines. I would love to use those, but it's not happening right now. As you can see, I have used sticky notes, some pattern paper, some wrapping paper which I got in some Happy Mail. It was wrapped in this paper. Then yeah, this is again another sticky note which I got in a Happy Mail. This is a stamp. It's from AliExpress. I really love this. Even this one, I really love this. This is from Mr. DIY. If you have any questions or things like that, you can just drop a comment below, and you can also let me know how you like this. So again, this is for March. I don't think I did that for the current month, June or May, I guess. I'm not sure. This is a vinyl decal that I made. I stuck it on this printed paper. This paper is I guess it's a freebie from Happy Scrappy. I'm not sure. Then since the backside was blank, like plain white, I just stuck a few things there. Then I forgot to write something here. I love to draw little doodles. If I don't have a sticker for that, I like this to be really visual. If there's only text here, it might not catch my attention, and I might not be able to remember what just by looking at it quickly. I may not be able to remember or see easily what it was about. This girl was drawn by me. It's a freebie. The link might be in my Instagram link tree. If it's not there, let me know. So this is another doodle drawn by me. I made it into a sticker. Now this is quite blank. I don't enjoy such spreads, but that's okay. This washi tape is from AliExpress and I really love it. In my next planner, this one, I would really love to prep my a lot of my pages using watercolor. I did use watercolor on these pages, but then sometimes when I don't have time, and for me to wait for the watercolor to dry and then put the stickers and everything, it's just too much time consuming. So this is another vinyl decal that I made. I thought of just zooming it a bit. Here I made another vinyl, and yeah, I'm not sure what to talk right now. I think Emma had told me about some crafty questions. I could have answered those, but I'm not doing a voiceover right now. Otherwise I would have definitely done that. Maybe later on for another crafty video maybe. So this is from a book, like a general book for kids. It was about girls. So, some basic things which little girls should know when they're growing up. So it had all these images, like a girl while cooking or just talking to her friend, dressing up, and things like that. So that is why I thought of buying that and just using the cutouts for such spreads. And also there was some text, like most of the text was like a little bit something like you can use it for in a journal, cut and use it in a journal. So that is why I bought that. This is a cutout from Daphne's diary. I received it in a happy mail swap. There's a website called Swapbot, so I sent some goodies to her and then she sent me this and some other goodies. So yeah, this is another image from that book. This is a badly drawn doodle. This is a die cut. Even this one. Here you can see it's almost blank. Just no stickers. I thought I will go back and put some stickers here, but then there was barely any space between these lines, so I just dropped the plan of putting stickers. For the current planner, this one I rather hope to have it a little bit functional, which I can carry in different rooms, like I can carry it in the kitchen, or while I'm sleeping I can keep it near my bed and just jot down things whenever I remember them. So that will be helpful to keep it updated. Let's see how that works. I think I should have zoomed it long ago. This I received in a Happy Mail. This is a freebie from Stationery Heaven Co. There are many such freebies as well, printable freebies mostly. Even this is a die cut. I bought this pouch, this kind of a fabric pouch, and I really loved it, and it was quite easy to doodle. That is why I thought of doing this here. This is a washi tape, even this one. This is a freebie by Papershire, and there are many Papershire, even these ones. These are all digital freebies which I made them into stickers. Okay, my camera cut me off. I think, yeah, I was here. This and this. These are also washi tapes, and I really love them. They're super cute, and they cover a large area, so that's really great. These stickers from Stationery Heaven Co., one of my favorite shops. I don't really buy a lot of physical stickers because of the shipping and the time it takes to reach India. But yeah, these were like, quite different, and I really love them. They're cute. This is she has digitals as well for other designs, but another favorite shop for me is Plan So Cute. She has really super cute stickers, physical as well as digital as in printables. This was recently drawn by me, and I really loved how it came out. Even this one, I drew this long back, but yeah, I really like this. Even this is from Plan So Cute. So this is from a packaging box of some healthy stuff. I think those were either cookies or something, and I really loved how this looked. I have kept the other boxes also from that shop because those are really nice for journaling, junk journaling. Yeah, another favorite shop is of course Sadie and Me, and this is from Teddy Plans Co. I really love her stickers. She has printable as well as physical. Of course, I buy the printable ones. She has really cute stickers. This character Chloe, she's from my shop. No, this is another character. This is a cat. Sorry, this is Chloe. You can see small doodles here and there. If it's all text, I find it difficult or rather boring to go and read. When it's something like this, I really enjoy going back to it. So yeah, these are just washi samples. Here I have again used some watercolors. Even here I should have used, but I just did not have the time to wait or the patience to wait. This is my attempt to draw a standing full length mirror with these string lights. I did not really like it that much, but it's okay, it's just a memory. And this is a rug which I got. These are the new things that I had bought. So I bought some printables from AC Digitals when they had 50% off sale, and this is one of that. This is a freebie from Rainbow Holic, and this is just something I had. As you can see, it's a different paper, and I just had some extra paint and I used it on that paper instead of wasting it, and I just stuck the paper here. It's quite thick because it's mixed media paper. And this is a freebie printable from one of the YouTubers. I don't remember her name, but if you want to know, just let me know in the comments. I'll give you the link. Again, that same washi tape. Again, here I should have gone and filled in with some color. I did not. This part I did yesterday. As you can see, at the beginning of the year, I had planned to write these things here, decorate it and then write it. I did not. These are just blank. I will go and do something here later on. These are just pen test or swatches. Then yeah, ideal routine, which I should have ideally written there, but I did not. So just blank. I might use these later, but let's see. And something I wanted to say is, yeah, I do share a lot of these on my Instagram posts and more on my Instagram stories. So if you are interested, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Pretty Crafty Tales. I'll put the link below in description. So yeah, whenever I'm working in these, I do share the process or the pictures of completed spreads many times on stories and on the posts as well. Then this is something I made. It was kind of a trigger list, I think they call it. These are the things just to remind you of certain things that you might want to do. For example, when you have free time and you feel you're forgetting something, there might be something that you have to work on, so you can just go to this and then remember. This is not my original idea. I got a similar free printable from some website, and then I just changed it to make my own. Okay, yeah, I think it was continued here. I will do something similar in this new planner. I did not really use this, but I feel it is useful if I really take out the time to go and see it. So yeah, this is a completed flip through. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.